All right, let's continue our lecture on learning, right? And the different forms of learning. Psychology Assessment 19, question 14. What is observational learning? So, observational learning is a form of learning where an individual acquires knowledge simply by observing. All right. So, I'm going to give you two examples, maybe even three if I could fit it into 2 minutes. All right, so the first example is I just finished watching a tape of how to make a paper airplane. Shortly after, I'm presented with a sheet of paper. What do you think I'm going to do with it? The first thing I'm going to do with it is attempt to make a paper airplane. Why? Because I just learned how to make a paper airplane from watching the video. Why didn't I crumble up the piece of paper and throw it away? Why didn't I fold it into nice halves? Well, because once again, I just saw a video of how to make a paper airplane. So the first reaction was to attempt to create a paper airplane, especially if I've never done one before. I've created one before. Now, here's a second example, right? I just watched a scary movie that correlates to a killer cat. Yeah, there's a cat going around town and he's mm, performing murders, right? What do you think is going to happen when I see a cat? Well, I'm going to think that he's going to commit a murder, right? Because I just watched a video of it, right? Now, what if the same cat, was presented to a person who didn't watch the video, right? Well, he'll probably try to pet it, and try to pet it, cuddle it, hug it. While me, on the other hand, I'm a little skeptical about it. Right? So that's what we call observational learning, and it's a form of learning where an individual acquires knowledge simply by observing. A part of mirror neurons correlate to observational learning, along with performing the learned behavior, of the observed behavior.